Yeah, from you can share now. Can you go to like 400? Can you go to 400 of the number of people served? Like, we are still having a large number. I mean, this number is still very huge. Keep going. 400. Mm. No, go to 400. 400, yes. Okay, hold on. In your 400, you're seeing 3644. In their own 400. Yeah, that's it. 3644, yes. 33644, yes. And go to the last one. The number of people served, the topmost one. Topmost topmost number of people served, which is like around 3,800 and something.
Oh, we needed to change your partition. Good.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's the number one. Awesome. So that's what they got also.
We needed to bring in an extra column, if I'm not mistaken, right?
You said
It's
what?
supposed to be four. I said, is it not supposed to be four
For
columns?
yeah, that's the number. That's the source of 1, 2, 3 water source. Do we have type of water source there already? So you're supposed to include type of water source.
Yeah, there's no type of water source. But is this partition thing becoming clearer, sir? Is it?
You said what?
Clearer?
Is it from my end?
It's breaking. Wow. Okay.
I can hear you now.
I said that is this whole partition thing becoming clearer?
Well, I think it seemed clear to me. I think it's just replacing the place of group by in the case of ranking. So when we say we rank, I think if you look at the first time we were trying to rank, okay. So you remember that we were trying to actually group to rank it. So then you brought in the partition kind of thing, and then we had to remove the group by, and it still works. So which means that the partitioning thing is the one doing the grouping. So it's grouping based on the partition, and then yeah. So I think it's a bit clear. Even though I've not read the module. I've
Clear
not
in my
read
head,
about
though.
it. So, but I think it's making sense. From you were saying something.
Oh, I didn't hear her.
Oh, maybe you were the one talking then.
Oh, okay.
So do we move trying to upload the videos that we've recorded so far? So that are we good to proceed? Yeah. 1 minute, please. Just 1 minute. 1 minute. Voila. Even YouTube says they get upload limits. Maybe not see trouble. Ah, it's okay. So I've learned tomorrow. All right. Sorry, guys. So after the rank term, the rank teams, by using the rank, teams doing the repair can use fixed. But what will be the benefit of using the dense rank? Maybe it is easier to explain to the engineers this way, or the priority feels a bit more. What about rule number? Since each source now has a unique rank, each source now should repair AAR, blah, 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 or this first, 98 people. So both separately 998 people. So because row number equal, so try the different ranking function in query and try to interpret the priority list. Thinking about the use of a table helps line of thought. Would it make sense to give them a list of source IDs? Would they know where to go? So they are asking of them, I don't know, maybe the dense rank needs to put their feet forward now so that I mean how do we go about this? They want us to now give each one of these guys a serial number, or what did they call it? Yeah, a row number, so that we can prioritize based on the fact that we already have what's it called? The priority ranking, but then some of them are repeated. So they now want us to give it a serial number that can now help us identify that this one should be the first one, or this one should be the second one, or blah, 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 blah. Yeah, so who wants to help us on that? Follow me. Chibuzo. Sorry, please, before we go ahead and solve that question, I want to just confirm something. Follow me.
Yes.
Yeah, sorry, please. Let me confirm that there is repetition of the ranking. So I just want to verify, per each water source, it's starting from 1 again, Abby. Is that the case?
What
Like,
do you mean? Per water source,
yes, it's
per number of people served is 1.
like I can see River has number 1, and there is a particular big number before that has ranking number to be 1 also.
Let's see. Like the next, it goes to the next water source, I
And then it
believe.
start from 1 again, Abby.
I think so.
Okay, let's just trace through.
Yes.
Okay, awesome. Thank you. So yeah, so now they want us to now assign number to them, like number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. I don't know how this dense rank works. Let me ask Alagba.
Maybe we'll just replace the rank with dense rank. I don't know.
Let's try that.
Yes, you just replace the rank with dense rank. That's all.
Just replace.
You have here 1, 1, 1, 1, 1.
I forgot that your hand was up. Pardon me, please.
No, it's fine. So what I'm saying is, unlike what you have with rank, right? With rank, you have, if you have like 14 rows ranked 1, the next ranking should then be 15,
Yeah,
right?
yes.
But with dense rank, if you have 14 rows ranked as 1, right? The
Mm.
next rank would then be 2 instead of 14, or instead of 15. Then
Oh,
if you have 2 ranks like almost 14 as well, the
okay.
next one, instead of being 15 or thereabout, it would then be 3, just like that. So it gives a proper ranking without skipping ranks.
Okay, awesome. Is that what has happened now?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, that's
Oh,
what happened now.
awesome.
So
But
let's
is
try
that
the row number.
the roll number is not the next question. How do we do roll number?
I think it's
Same
still the same
process.
thing. We'll just replace this guy with
Yes,
row
it's still the
number.
same. Just replace. That's all. Yeah.
We replace which one?
Rank.
Rank or dense
Rank.
rank. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay. So there is the function called roll number, there is a function called dense rank. Wow,
Yes.
amazing.
Okay, so this one is the
Oh,
first one.
I see. So if we
This one just one, so
uh
Let numbers with sequentially.
okay. So from another source again, to start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, going that way, right?
yes.
Awesome. This is beautiful. Okay, amazing. Thank you for that
Supposed to
insight.
tell them the one they will
Yeah.
go first or what? With this one,
So I
2, 3,
think,
4.
sorry, Fermi. Is there a way we
Yes.
can combine row number? To even make sense, right? Can we combine row number, dense ranking, and then the normal ranking? Can we combine them all in one query?
One query.
Yes.
Let's see now.
So I think it's just that part that is extra that we'll be adding, Abi.
I suppose
Just
if it
leave your
works.
ass.
We'll be removing, I think we'll be removing. Okay, so you just copy from that rank section. Yes, to that rank
Yeah.
point. From that, yes, to that point. Yes. I think we'll just keep Yeah, to the next line. Yes.
Let me check this
You
guy.
can make it pop out. Yes. Yes. You can pop the dense rank to the left instead of that indentation.
Okay.
Already our from is already crying. Oh.
We'll fix like
Yeah.
okay. Right.
Yeah, something like this. Yeah, you change this one to row number. Yeah.
It's a keyword. I can't use it as
Now as just play
Yeah,
around.
no, no. Yeah.
Exactly. This scatter the table. Oh, amazing.
This scatter now. It's what?
Hmm. Can you note it as combination of the ranking, dense ranking, and then row number together? Awesome. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you so much, it was also for the quality insight. So the market. Okay, so let's go. Where were we? Where we were? All right, so I think of this one. They didn't even give us sample. These people are wicked. Child. So we are on number 6, saying analyzing cues. Analyzing cues. Okay, this is the really big and last table we will look at this time. The analysis is going to be a bit tough, but the results will be worth it. So stretch out. Everybody stretch out. Ah, where's Akim? Pomodoros. So guys, they say you should Pomodoro right now. So a recap from the last time, the visit table documented all of the visits our field surveyors made to each location. For most sources, one visit was enough, but if there were queues, they visited the location a couple of times to get a good idea of the time it took for people to queue for water. So he said if there were queues. All right. So we have the same time that they collected the data, how many times the site was visited, and how long people had to queue for water. So look at the information we have available and think of what we could learn from it. Remember, we can use some date time function here to get some deeper insight into the water queuing situation in Maji Udogo, like which day of the week it was and what time. Which day of the week it was and what time. Okay, these are some of the things I think are worth looking at. One, how did the survey, how long did the survey take? How long did the entire survey take? Two, what is the average total queue time for water? What is the average total queue time for water? What is the average queue time on different days? What is the average queue time on different days? So days of the week, from Monday, Tuesday, blah, blah, blah. How can we communicate this information efficiently? Try to answer some of these questions. Think of the data you will need to answer each question and how to transform that data into the right form to answer each question. Then make some queries to try and answer them. You learn all of the skills you need, so give it a try. Hints. I had to read up a bit on control flow, date time, and window function to do this. So you probably would have to as well. Look at visits, especially the time of record column. It is an SQL date time data type. So we can use all of the date time function to aggregate the data for each day and even per hour. Now, question number 1. To calculate how long the survey took, we need to get the first and last date. Which functions can find the largest / the smallest value and subtract them? Remember, with date time data, we can't just subtract value. We have to use a function to get the difference in days. So where do we start from? He said when he did is, when I do it, I get 924 days, which is about 2.5 years. So guys, this is the junction where we are. See? How do we go about this? Using the dates functions. Who's gonna help? Well, have you guys want to go and sleep on this one and come back to tackle it? Or do you want to do it now? Oh yeah, now, guys, let's come forward. Fire Kumi, you've not been talking though. What's going on?
I don't know what's going on.
Ah, where is your person now? I thought the person wanted to join the call this night.
Yeah, I don't know. Because he was saying he was struggling at the hub. He hadn't started with module 6 at all. He just finished module 5 and left it. I
Okay.
don't know.
Oh my God. It's okay. Ganiat, you've been quiet. Come and bring your brain to the table. I want to believe that you've not slept.
I'm awake. I'm
Abi.
observing all these things you guys are doing. Looks like Chinese.
This is English language for God's sake.
I know it's English, not just
Plain
English.
plain
It's
English.
coding.
It's code.
Mm. It's not
Let's
English.
let's add in at the back so that it will become coding.
You see, a drug. So it's hard.
Master,
Mm.
master. Auntie
Mm.
Philo, Auntie Philo, what's up now? Guys, Pauline, how far? Chibuzo, what's up? Guys, you guys are quiet now. What do we
Please,
do?
I can't, I'm not, I don't understand. I'm just trying to follow along.
Oh,
Yeah,
well done.
thank you.
Fortune, can you do one of your magics here? And tomorrow is Friday. Oh. Abba. Follow me. Let's
Ah,
ask you. Afisa. Oh yeah, now, what do we do
I
here?
don't know. Let's be troubleshooting and be seeing if it will work, but I don't know.
I was looking at the whole
I
thing
really
where the date functions today, which I'm still not sure I have a good grasp of.
I'm not sure that I have it
So we have a
from
function
Google.
for
Yes.
date that is called current. We have the format. We have date add. But neither of these guys is making any funny sense right now. Okay, minimum time of record. I so I believe that we might need to first use formats. Inside that minimum, can you do formats?
Inside minimum,
Constant
Yes.
law.
Can you do formats?
like this.
Hold on. I'm talking to ChatGPT.
Should we use cast as well? Should we use cast? Or is it
Okay,
already in a
you
daytime
can
format?
It's
help.
in date time already. I don't think we need to
Oh,
cast.
okay. Okay. Hmm. You should be able to separate the
So,
year, right?
okay,
Yes.
so awesome, 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 awesome. So what you need is years, Abby.
Yeah.
So now let's use format. Awesome,
It's right
awesome.
here
For
now.
that year, yes, in that time of record, hmm, do format in brackets, time of record. Yes.
I've closed both brackets.
Okay. So do comma inside of that format bracket. Do comma. No, no, not that one. Is that the
That's the bracket.
no, that's mini now. That's mini bracket. No. Inside after the time of record,
Yes,
there's
the
be a comma.
bracket. Okay, this guy.
Yes. Then do quotes, double quotes, Y, 4 times.
Before year.
Yes. Yeah, comma. No, no, no. Then closing the bracket. Sorry. No, no. Closing the brackets. Yeah, I think that should give us something.
Yeah.
You want to run it? We'll come back to the marks later. Let's even see what this guy is doing. And I don't think the Y should be in capital letter. Well, does it matter? No, it should not be in capital letter. It should be in small letters. Yes. Egbamil. What's it giving?
Can you
20.
see it?
That's in second though. No, there's still something missing. There's still something missing. Okay. I'm coming.
So what I wanted to
Then,
try,
hold on. Sorry. Go on, please. You're trying to say something.
okay, so I know that there is a function date difference
Okay.
in, so I was thinking if we could do the date difference between the mean and the max of time record, it should work.
Okay. On the mean and the max. It will come. Okay, so you are saying if we get date difference on mean, okay, okay,
For my max, I
okay,
don't know. I think there are supposed to be three arguments. I don't know what the third argument is.
okay.
Use on.
I think there's it. Okay. Max comma mean rather. Later. Was there a value in Michael?
You said what?
Was there a value? Did they give us a value that they got?
That they got? No, they
I
did
think
not.
they did though.
They didn't actually.
Okay. I
Okay, I
believe
saw
this is in
924.
date.
Yeah. There was
They
I
got
saw a
924.
924 in this. Yeah. I think I saw that. Let me go back. He
Okay.
said where he wrote that he got
Oh yeah,
924
actually.
something.
Yeah, 924. Yes. Awesome. Yeah, I
924 and
got nine.
something. I don't know.
Yeah, yeah. This is amazing. Awesome. So the mini and the max for dates will give us days difference. Nice, nice.
The 924 days, which is about 2.5 years. Yeah, that's what he wrote.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay, so let's move on. So we've been able to get the dates, Abby. So just imagine all the visits, meeting all those people on grounds for 2 years. It is something is it is something easy to see data as meaningless number and text, but remember that each person in that queue that day would have been someone who walked 10 kilometers, queued for 4 to 5 hours, and then walked all the way back home. Often these are children who need to do this. So um so they have less time to attend school. It makes me sad and angry that we got to this point. Anyway, Mabo Yakutu Sawa, as my mother used to say, things will be okay. Voila. The important thing is we are doing our part to stop that kind of thing from happening. Well, I just wasted time reading story. Question number 2. Let's see how long people have to queue on average in Maji Udogo. Keep in mind that many sources like taps in home have no queues. Many sources like tap in home have no queues. These are just recorded as 0 in the time in queue column. So when we calculate average, we need to exclude those rows. Try using null if to do this. So they're asking us to calculate the average, I think, hold on. So let's see how long people have to queue on average. So average time of queue, I think, in Maji Odogo, average time of queue. So you should get a queue time of about 123 minutes, 123 minutes, 123 minutes. So on average, people take 2 hours to fetch water if they don't have a tap in their home. So I think, where do we do that now? Is it not still the same time? Do we have time in queue? Okay. Let's see what time in queue looks like in the, what's it called, in the database.
Okay, so
Time in queue 5. Okay, so we are supposed to do an aggregate on that. So I don't know. So I think we are supposed to do, maybe that one will be direct. I might be wrong. So let's do select average time in queue from visits. I know we could give it alias, maybe as time in whatever. Where time in queue not equal to 0. Or let's do this one first. I know I don't jump. Or where we can also do null if time in queue. But I don't know where that null if will now come in. Okay, let's see this one first. Okay, this gave us,
Close now, 123 minutes.
yeah, we could round it up. So now let me copy that same query and let's go to another line. So inside of average, surround time in queue with null if.
inside average.
Yes. I don't know. I'm enjoying this one here. Null if. Doesn't make sense. Let's see. What about now? Mm. Mm.
What's the error is saying?
Okay,
He did
let's
not give the null if any command that be condition. He just said null if, like null if what?
not if time in queue, but wait, not if, is that what he's saying? Incomplete parameter count in the call of null if. Okay, so null if maybe time in queue equals 0. That's true. That's a null if. No, no, that would be you talking to agree. It should be inside now, inside that null if. That equals 0.
Is that what?
That equals to 0 should be inside the bracket, not there. Abi? Then there should be another closing bracket. Let's run this and see. Run it. You already did. Oh, sorry. Parameter count in the call to native function, not if. I don't know. Anybody else can try. Which is GPT go suffer. We will suffer. Okay, so instead of equals to 0, I think you should do comma 0. Time in queue, comma 0. Time
Hello?
in queue.
I think it's a
Time
bit bad. What's going on? Can anybody hear me?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yep, I can hear you.
Okay.
Can hear his mic here, I cannot hear.
I said instead of equal to, just do comma 0. Hear me? Can anybody hear me?
Your voice is
Your
straight.
network is breaking up.
Hey, sorry. I was saying that instead of the equal to, just do comma 0.
I've done that.
Okay, let's try and run it now. Okay, so that means we still need to use round. So probably need to use round on it.
Round.
Yes.
Is the result supposed to be one value? I thought it was supposed to be like an average of all the water.
Yes, now it's average of the entire thing now. Of
Like
all
each
entire-
water type will be. I'm the one that did not get what you read.
Is it for each water? No. Abi?
I don't know.
Let me-
Maybe I didn't get it.
Let's read the question again. It says, let's see how